stable, you know. They're stable. They do their visit. You don't have anybody playing a hide and seek and missing their appointments or anything, you know. They get their medications because that is what the group home is offering to these patients. And this is what the home health team needs to do. You know, this is what the plan is for the patient. And it's like the information just stays one place. Nobody have any interest in trying to get, you know, that note over to their home, the assisted living, the group home. Nowhere. Nobody wants to collect any information and have it as a part of their file for these patients. And then every second, it's a case where it's something that is already addressed. You find them calling, oh, Stacy, what about this? I'm like, did we even look in the notes, or did we try to get the information from the last visit? You know, all of this is already in the chart. So that's just the struggle. So it's like these patients are just there and nobody is involved in anything. The patients are just lying there and that's it, you know. So it's just a sad world out there for these elderly people, honestly. It's just a sad world. It's all about the money, and I don't think it should be like that. Yes, you need to make money, yes, but do the job we're supposed to be doing. That's all. Claudette Olivier says, understand exactly what you are saying. I do critical newborns that go home on vents, trach, PICC lines, and dialysis at home. Oh, okay, nice, travel nurse. Yeah, it is sad out there when you go out there and see what is, you know, being offered to these people. It is just sad. And Kevin says, are you from California? No, Kevin, I'm from Jamaica. That's home. I am from Jamaica, but I am in Texas right now. So, yeah. Where are you from, Kevin? Yeah, so it's just sad. It's just sad for the population out there, honestly. I just never expected a lot of the things that I would be seeing. Like, I know, yes, they're there, but at the same time, because we have home health services, I think that, you know, it would have been a little bit better for some of these patients. And don't get me wrong, you know, you have some homes some group homes and assisted living, like you have those managers, and I don't know if it's because some of them probably had a relative, because you'll hear them talk about it. Either they had a relative or they have some, you know, relation with, you know, the health field itself. Like, you know, they were a nurse before, and so they go in with a passion. They go in with, you know, the hope of doing something good, making a change in those patients' life, you know. And so their homes are pretty decent, you know, when it comes down to some group homes I've been to. Regardless of what is happening with the patient, those patients are not necessarily mandated, but there is already an agreement that when you're coming into this group home, we're going to be doing an evaluation. You're going to get a psych evaluation. You know, whatever problem you have to get one of the providers come in and see you and be treated for it, you know. So I like those group homes because those patients are stable, you know. They're stable. They do their visit. You don't have anybody playing a hide and seek and missing their appointments or anything, you know. They get their medications because that is what the group home is offering to these patients, you know. They're well fed, they're clean, the place look good. But some group home, you walk into the group home and my word, you know, it's like you're looking outside, like the people them just homeless outside. It's the same kind of condition inside of the home. Fly taking everything from the garbage bin to the patient. You know, you walk in, if you walk with your Crocs, it's like you're walking out of your shoes because the ground is just so sticky. Like, me not like them kind of environment there. I don't like it for the patients, and people are paying money for these service. So that's just the thing. People are paying for these service, and this is what we're given. Like, it hurts me, man. It hurts me. Like, we need to take care of what we're offering, you know, and make sure it is something that we definitely want. Claudette Olivier, I am going home to Jamaica today. You're going home? Okay, well, you know, I wish I was going home as well. Coming back in January, really needed a break. Okay, nice. Where in Jamaica are you from, Claudette? I'm from Manchester. That's home for me. I miss home all the time. Yeah, I miss Jamaica all the time. Missing it, missing it, missing it. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in to the Think Nursing channel. We're just chit-chatting. Oh, you're from Ochi. Okay, my sister is living in Ochi right now. Yeah. So nice. Well, safe travels. Safe travels, and bring back some jerk chicken and all them good up stuff there. Your seasoning and everything. Oh my word. Yeah, Miss Jamaica. Okay. Um but yeah, so we're just chit-chatting here. Hi. Remember to double tap on your screen. Anaka, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Yeah. So home, I miss home all the time. Yeah. It's nice. The opportunity here is nice, but my word, nowhere beats home. I like the fact that we have, career opportunity. You have work opportunities here. There's so much that you can do here, but apart from that, oh Lord, yeah, it is what it is. So which state are you in, Claudette? Because I know you say you do travel nursing. What state are you in? Yeah, I did travel nursing for a while. Claudette says that's for sure, girl. I understand. Yeah, I did travel nursing for a while. Did enjoy it, and then it's time to settle down. After a while, you have this wear and tear on your body. Oh, you're in California right now. Okay, nice. Yeah, I got my California license, and I just never pick up a travel assignment there because what they were paying in California. Yes, it's a lot of money, but at the time there was a hospital that was very close by, and they were paying me good money. So when I calculated and look at what they were paying in California and what I was gonna get, and my drive time is gonna be 15 minutes away from home, couldn't give up that one there, bro. I couldn't give it up, even though yes, the California, but then I would be thinking about renting and food and all that stuff. So yeah, missing my family as well. So it was nice to but one day I will definitely pick up one of those contracts down there when the prices are right. I'll probably pick up one of those contracts. I'll definitely not have my license lapse on me or expire on me. So yeah. Jason Latif says, what you're saying is so true. Sorry for the elderly people. Some of these nursing home, they're not taking care of the elderly people. That is so true. Yeah, some of them, as I say, like the other day I went to this nursing home, and I tell you, that nursing home is the best nursing home I've been to since I'm doing house calls. And it was really nice. Like it was, all patients have their own room, bathroom, and it was like a decent sized room. And there were probably like say about 4 different houses on the property that has a capacity of, I think it's about 32 patients they can hold. So it's a giant, it's 1 story, and when you enter, it's like an open concept, and you have like a big table, a long table that all the residents do come sit and eat. And the money for my specialty is excellent. I know, Claudette. It's really good there. Okay, yes, it is. So they have a really long table that they'll meet and have breakfast and lunch and dinner. And then you have the regular area that they go and watch TV. Then they have their room that also has a TV there. You have their bathroom. And as I say, it's like just think of a circle. And so you're walking, the nurse station, it's not really a nurse station, but like the office is in the middle, and the kitchen is at the end, the entrance. So it's really nice, always clean and smelling good. Don't smell like you're in a elderly facility. So it's really clean and nice, and the patients there seem to be happy. But that's the best place I've visited so far since I've been doing this. Yeah. So are you ICU? You're ICU, Claudette? Are you in ICU? Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're just chit-chatting here. Please go ahead and double tap on the screen for me. I really do appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, I would love for you to subscribe as well to the channel. All right, where we're just sharing stories about nursing, travel, and lifestyle. So yeah, but today is just like a regular chit chat day. I was supposed to be doing some notes, but you know. Oh, Nick, you only do babies. Okay, nice. Yeah, I see some job offers where they are looking for providers and they're only requesting for, I think it's like say six shift per month. Yeah, and then the amount of money they're paying, I'm like, wow. Okay, yeah, so that really do pays a lot, and that's a NICU NP, pediatric NP. So yeah, but nice. There's a lot of money out there. As I say, you just have to make sure that it is something persons love. And you go in there, you do your specialty, go and do your masters, and, or even if you're not doing your masters, go and do your certification or something. Advance yourself until you're able to reach where you want to start making some more money, if that is what, you're interested in. But there is so much money out there to make. There's so much jobs out there. Just get your experience and launch out, launch out and give it your best shot. That's all. Do we have anybody from Jamaica here? I know Claudette is from Jamaica. Orange CEO is from Jamaica. Do we have anybody else from Jamaica? Oh, you have a master's in community health? Okay. Did you do ICU as an RN? For Fresh Skull says here. Okay, you're from Jamaica? Fresh Skull? Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Yeah. Did you do ICU in Jamaica, Claudette, or just over here? Okay, nice. Fresh Skull. Okay, welcome. Remember to go ahead and subscribe, Remember to subscribe. And remember to go ahead and comment as well, please. All right? Comment under my videos when you watch them. And share it. Okay, nice. Because I know, a lot of times when we come over here, if you're in this department for a little time, you're considered to be a specialist versus Jamaica. I love our Jamaican system where, even though you're working in ICU, they prefer you to get your certifications and all, which is good. I think you're a little bit more grounded and prepared for, all of those emergencies, and you're better able to understand what's going on in your area a little bit more. So I like the idea of how we do it in Jamaica. Okay, so Claudette says, no, my mom was an RN, came here, left us in Jamaica, came here to university. Okay, nice. Okay. Yeah, I studied in Jamaica.